Pros and cons for stainless steel kitchen sinks. Dear friends, stainless steel makes an affordable, low-maintenance kitchen sink. Such sinks offer a variety of options in terms of shape, configuration, and style, and they match most modern appliances, but they do have some drawbacks. The sinks will usually fit seamlessly into kitchens with modern decor, but look at the pros and cons before you buy. Sink durability. Overall, stainless steel sinks are among the most durable materials available to homeowners. They do not chip, crack or peel as enamel or porcelain sinks will do, and they're resistant to stains. Although stainless steel resists corrosion, prolonged contact with chlorine bleach, muriatic acid, solvents, and other harsh or abrasive cleaners can damage stainless steel finishes and leave them vulnerable to rust. The thickness of the steel also plays a role in the sink's resistance to scratches and dents. The thicker the steel, the more durable the sink will be. Sink options. Stainless steel sinks are available in undermount and drop-in designs, and you can find a range of shapes and ball configurations, as well as double, single, or corner sink styles. You will also find a wide range of thicknesses, which are referred to as gauges. The lower the gauge number, the thicker the steel, and while the numbers aren't much different, an 18-gauge sink is almost twice as thick as a 23-gauge steel sink. The thinner 23-gauge steel is less expensive but also less durable than an 18-gauge sink. Limitations in color and finishes. One drawback to stainless steel sinks is that you have limited options in color and finish. If you prefer a bold color for your kitchen sink, don't select stainless steel. While it comes in a range of finishes, such as mirrored, glossy sheen or brushed nickel, the color will always be silver. Stainless steel, however, does pair well with most decorating styles and appliances, so you can usually fit a stainless steel sink into a customized kitchen. Another drawback to this type of sink is that it tends to be noisy in comparison to other materials, such as acrylic or porcelain sinks. But higher-end stainless steel sinks offer sound muffling coatings over the steel or a spray coating on the underside of the sink. This can greatly reduce the noise level, although it will not eliminate it. Sink cost. Compared to other materials, such as cast iron, granite, or porcelain, stainless steel costs considerably less, no matter how thick the gauge or the configuration of the bowl. Because of its durability, stainless steel can also save you money in the long term, while other, less durable materials may require replacement. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.